Hello, my name is Tommaso and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hammer from a Rubik Snake 60 in the easiest possible way that I created. Okay, so first we're going to be counting 1, bending it once. Then we're going to be counting 1, 2 and bending this third one upwards, like this. Next, we're going to be counting 1, 2, and bending the second one downwards, like this. Next, we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, and bending the third one to the side. So as you can see now, we've got still a straight unsolved line, but then here we've got a little turn in the edge. Okay. So next we're going to be joining these ends with this by turning this green piece once and this blue one once to create a slot. Next we'll be counting 1, 2 and then the second one. Next we're going to be counting 1, 2, bending the second one upwards like so, and counting 1, 2 and bending the second one away from us like so. Next, with this piece, we're going to press it to create this, and then we're going to join this piece with this piece, like this. Next, we're going to be counting 1, 2, bending the second one downwards, and then count 1, 2, and bend the second one right, like this. Next, we're going to be moving this piece, turning it towards this red piece, like so, and then bending this red piece outwards like this, and then slots to create another connection. Next we're going to be bending this piece and bending it twice, and then counting 1, 2 and bending the second one downwards. Then we're going to be bending this piece, bending it towards here to create a forming connection, and then count 1, 2 and bend this one 3 times that way. Next, with this piece we're going to turn it and then connect this piece with this piece, like this. And then we bend this piece twice, like this, and then bend this piece towards here, and then with this piece, turn it, and then form a connection, like this. Next, we're going to be moving this piece towards here, this piece against here, and then count 1, 2, 3, and then turn like this. And then we're going to be counting 1, 2 and bend this piece away like this. Next, with this piece, we're going to be moving it twice upwards and then bending this green one once downwards and then this red one to form another connection. And then here, we're going to do the exact same of what we did here. So, we're going to be bending this piece, moving it like so, counting 1, 2, bending it once to the right, and then bending this piece downwards. And then this blue one, like so, to form a connection. Well, not quite. We need to bend this piece first, so it does that, and then bend this piece upwards, and then with this piece we form upwards and this white one this way, and then form a connection. And then with this piece we're moving it downwards, and with this blue piece we turn, we move this green one towards here like so, and we move this orange one upwards like this. And then you should have this, and then with this orange one we move it once to fit. And now we're going to be moving this piece once and move it twice the other direction, so you have this so far. And next we're going to be moving the snake and then counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bend the big side over here twice, like this. Then we're going to bend this whole line upwards. And then we try to get this under everything. And then turn it once. And you try to fit it. So then you create a hammer. Congratulations,